Kumusta mga ka-dribble, pangmalakasang import ng NLEX Road Warriors ibabandera na, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon dito sa Ball Handler PH. Matapos nga ang maagang pamamaalam ng koponan ng NLEX Road Warriors sa nakaraang PBA Commissioner's Cup, ay ibabandera nga nila ang kanilang bagong import sa katauhan ni Jonathan Calvin Simmons. Ang 33 years old na si Jonathan Simmons ay ipinanganak noong September 14, 1989 sa Houston, Texas, USA.
Former All-Star, 2012 and 2014. Here's Aldridge. And what a jam by Jonathan Simmons! Oh, brought that down from his waist.
The Road Warriors are bringing in Jonathan Simmons, a player who actioned for 3 NBA teams, kabilang dito ang San Antonio Spurs, Philadelphia 76ers, at ang Orlando Magic.
Green, they quickly come to double him. He's gonna shoot that. Simmons in the lane. Oh, mama! Jonathan Simmons, I got some shake and bake. Ball bounced off his thigh. Simmons, not to be denied. Jonathan Simmons from That's why I was shocked he didn't finish that last one in the lane.
Ang 6'6" forward at shooting guard na si Simmons, ay naging most valuable player pa sa NBA Summer League 7 taon na ang nakakalipas.
Simmons on the open floor. Simmons to the basket.
Noong naglalaro pa siya sa Antonio Spurs, ay nag-a-average ito ng 6.2 points. 42% field goals, 2.1 rebounds at 1.6 assists.
He can also pass the ball. Simmons.
Noong napunta ito sa Orlando Magic ay nag-a-average siya dito ng 13.9 points. 46.5% field goals, 3.5 rebounds at 2.5 assists. Taong 2018 nang matrade ito papuntang Philadelphia 76ers, ay bumaba ang stats nito sa laro. Nag-a-average na lamang siya dito ng 5.5 points, 45.3% field goals, 1.7 rebounds, at 2.2 assists, sa 14.6 minutes na paglalaro niya dito sa koponan ng Philadelphia 76ers.
Find a box. Shoot over Duncan. Great bounce pass. Simmons lays it in.
Malaki ang maiaambag nito sa koponan ng NLEX Road Warriors, lalo na at kulang sila ng big man, dahil sa pagkawala nga sa kanila ni Calvin Oftonen na napunta ng TNT Tropang Giga. Bukod nga sa malakas ito maglaro sa ilalim, ay isa din itong legit shooters na kayang makipagsabayan sa mga import ngayong paparating na PBA Governors Cup.
Was 99 and 97 against the East, just +2. Goodbye, San Antonio with 2 to shoot, with 1 to shoot. It's a count of it goes.
Kaya abangan natin mga ka-dribble ang performance nito sa koponan ng NLEX Road Warriors ngayong PBA Governors Cup.
If that was Leonard or Parker or both. Well, it's hard to tell. Simmons to Bobo for two!
Simmons,